Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices. On a computer, sign into Outlook. So the website can generate the sign-in QR code. You will see this during the login flow. Meanwhile, unlock your iPhone, install and open the Outlook mobile app if not already installed. Once done, tap Add Account in the app and select the option to scan a QR code. This is faster and avoids manual typing. It links your phone to the exact account session on the desktop. With the QR visible on your computer, point your iPhone's camera at it inside the Outlook app scanner. Make sure you granted camera permission, otherwise the app cannot read the code. Once scanned, you will see the account name and details. Verify it matches the one you want to add. Tap Approve or Continue and follow prompts like enabling notifications or granting calendar access. This step securely transfers credentials without typing, so it saves time and reduces time. After approval, Outlook finalizes sync. Wait while Mail, Calendar, and Contacts download to your iPhone. Make sure sync options match your needs, then test by sending a quick email. If syncing stalls, force close and reopen the app, confirm background app refresh and network access, then try again. If the scanner repeatedly fails, go back to the desktop and regenerate the QR. Sometimes expired or blocked codes cause issues. That single troubleshooting step resolves most sign-in failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.